Students, today we are going to learn about geography 5th chapter ocean currents. So what is the ocean current? Permanent streams of water which flow in a definite direction from the one part of the ocean to the other are called ocean currents. These are like the rivers in the ocean. So we do one activity, material required, large metal tray, water, plastic sequence, spirit lamp. Sequence means small piece of shiny material. Keep the large metal tray on a stand, fill it with water. After the water becomes still, leave the sequence in them. After some time, the sequence will start floating in the water and become still too. Observe all things. After some time, light the spirit lamp and place it below one corner of the tray and observe what happens. So the question arises. First question, what did you understand initially by the observing the sequence? When the sequence live in the water, they start floating in the water. After some time, the sequence becomes still. Then second question, when the temperature of water started increasing, what changes did you see? Answer, as the temperature of water increases, the plastic sequence move from one place to another. Third question, observe the movement of sequence. Answer, the sequence start moving in a circular motion. There is a movement of this sequence because of the flow of water. Fourth question, what conclusion drawn from the same? As the temperature rises, the density of the water decreases and becomes lighter. Therefore, the water having low temperature, which is heavier, replaces the water with higher temperature. Then fifth question, where can such processes take place on the earth's surface? The answer will be such processes takes place in seas and oceans. Sixth question, what are those processes and why do they happen? Reason behind this, these processes are called ocean current and they happen because of sun heat and increasing the temperature. So next, it will occur to you that as the temperature of water increases, the plastic sequence move from one place to another. As the temperature rises, the density of water decreases and it becomes lighter. Density means amount per unit size. And therefore, the water having a lower temperature, which is heavier, replaces the water with higher temperature. After some time, the sequence start moving in a circular motion. There is a movement of this sequence because of the flow of water. A very strange incident occurred in the Pacific Ocean in the 1992. You know about the ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So this incident occurred in a Pacific Ocean. A cargo ship sailed towards America from Hong Kong. While traveling through the Pacific Ocean near the Hawaii Island, a container full of toys fell into the ocean and broke. Around 2000, around 28,000 rubber toys started floating on the ocean. This incident occurred in the 10th January 1992. Now a strange thing happened. After around 10 months, on 16 November 1992, some of these states reached the coast of Alaska. Some of them crossed the Bering Strait and moved up to the Arctic Ocean by the year 2000, or some of they also floated to Atlantic Ocean from the Arctic. Then some of these reached the eastern coast of America in 2003 and some of the toys had even reached the European coast by 2007. From the Hawaii Islands, some toys took the route to Australia. Then, why did the toys travel in this way? Toys travel because of ocean currents. It includes surface ocean current and deep ocean current. The ocean water can be divided into two parts based on depth surface water and deep water. First one, the upper layer extend up to 500 meters from the sea level. Second, below 500 meter depth. The region from sea level to depth of 500 meter is considered to be the surface water. Sunlight can reach till this depth. The movement of in this layer occur mainly due to differences in the temperature and salinity. Salinity means bitter. The planetary winds give speed to the ocean current. Planetary means related to planet. If the water temperature is low, the time movement of water also low, and when temperature is high, movement of water increases. Water salinity also affects the movements of ocean water, and the planetary winds give speed to the ocean currents. Then next point, horizontal surface ocean current. The flow on the surface of the ocean moves only 10% of the ocean water, and the surface flow is considered up to 500 meters of depth. The discharge of water in the ocean is measured in the Savertrup unit. Savertrup unit, the unit of flow. Unit of flow. It is equivalent to 1 million cubic meter per second discharge. The horizontal flow of ocean water occurs as warm and cold currents. These currents flow from the equator to the poles and from the poles to the equator. These currents are pushed to long distance by the planetary winds. As a result, the ocean water flow from equator to both the poles and vice versa. Thank you.